Welcome back. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Wolt app to order food in 2025, from setting up your account to placing your first order. Even if you've never used Wolt before, this will be super easy to follow. First, download Wolt from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and either sign in if you already have an account or tap Create Account and enter your details: name, email, phone number, and a secure password. Once you're in, head to the Profile section. This is where you can manage your account details, saved addresses, payment methods, and view your order history. For payments, Wolt supports credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and Google Pay in most countries. Before ordering, add at least one delivery address. You can enter your street, building number, apartment details, and even a door code if needed. You can also set your location on the map for accuracy. Now comes the fun part: finding what to eat. You can browse by category like pizza, burgers, sushi, or use the search bar to look for a specific dish or restaurant. Wolt also has a Discover section with daily deals and recommendations. If you're short on time, use the filter icon to sort by delivery time, price, rating, or even dietary tags like vegetarian or gluten-free. Once you find a restaurant, tap to open its menu. Choose your item, select size or extras if available, and tap Add to Order. You can increase the quantity with the plus button or remove items from your cart. When you're ready, go to your cart to review everything: prices, discounts, and any delivery fees. Wolt sometimes offers first order discounts, so keep an eye out for those. Tap Checkout to confirm your delivery address, payment method, and tip for the courier if you'd like. You can choose Deliver Now or Schedule for later. Once you're ready, tap Place Order. After placing your order, you can track your courier in real time on the map. You'll also get notifications when they're nearby or if there are updates. And that's it. You've just ordered your first meal with Wolt. If this guide helped you, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.